Biakamal Kanor online TV channel to concaler con linguaseme. Russian dan ban linguaseme rewish ka South Sudan take an edang dit shana guadepa jandan ban linguaseme. And mitwoga twogre which ka South Sudan. Akan kono ni amre ler kana me mi jiram jidit gor jano gender janyo nasin koken. Ban ratime ban jokwen. Ko de janga changu mitwo guadep ka rewish ka South Sudan. Ko South Sudan jen take a mineral to wana long. Ban rachime bana jeling ariga me tuoga Raja County jen tuoga tenone ban mandan le roda bana jeling ngum nagne dhieec no bana jeling kel re lergana me bana jeling kel nyam ko thoknath ka kor bana writing ka tok English ka dobran en cha gor ka je ki cha ler mi cha no ga ja re wika South Sudan chana je tok gwade pere wicha ka South Sudan Raja County sha ne dhieec sha connecting Chaganectin actually ne to chalado ken lo jana grum share leka telelo gorlo ken dap te piu to ken kapin angwasmo shimono mo chachu penwidian kene die chakanak no ko do badana chalat keje ngai kona gwano dap we je kalong no gor jano beje kwen ya kwasme. At least 5 people have died in gold exploration accident in Raja County, Western Bargazal State. South Sudan official confirmed on Sunday. No, neme tuoga ka Western Bargazal State jan gwada ande dab metin ka jan gwada ande togre metin. Ne ti wokan gunya dab ta dan ande dab de kamrar ka je ko ni ngwan la kan dab la kan Allah tan dab mo yo mi cha Allah yo ba je kula wonyo kami waje ti gor ka dab dan trade. Ene me chane ri ko die cha to che yeken shaka bas ko chikan chimun ti open widian no chan jeling ka jan togi English dan de ko lingi je gwasme. At least 5 people have died in a gold exploration accident in Raja County, Western Bargazal State, South Sudan official confirmed on Sunday. The incident occurred in the Dulu area where a group of people working for a gold mining company were reportedly assessing a potential gold mining site. According to Raja County Commissioner Addison Arkangelo, the men were working approximately 15 meters underground. They were underground 15 meters. 15 meter one galum by the way. Can it me ne ala 15 meter very long, okay? Like a with pin. So she mun mai chu obedient, you know. Go let get in, let can take 15 meter down, nipping mon, you know. Yen go down and we dab ma connecting ke wo muro obedient kaja. According to Raja County Commissioner Addison Arkangelo, the men were working approximately 15 meters underground when the accident happened. Yesterday or on Saturday, while they were trying to remove water from the site, on March 9, 2025, the water began flowing back into the excavation area, causing them to lose oxygen. Commissioner Arkangelo said that 5 people were trapped underground and only 1 survived. The survivor was taken to hospital for treatment, while the bodies of the 4 others were transported to Wow Town for burial. 1 person was buried in Raja. The commissioner dismissed a report that the accident was caused by a collapse of the excavation site in the state, attributing it to the sudden influx of water. Raja County, located in the northern western corner of South Sudan, is known to be mineral-rich, though the quantity of its resources remain unclear. In January, South Sudan National Minister for Wildlife Conservation and Tourism, Rizik Zakaria Asen, ordered the closure of illegal gold mining operation in Boro, Madina, Raja County. Commissioner Arkangelo urged mining companies to prioritize safety measures for workers. There should be safety guidelines for workers and staff. While accident can happen, safety must be prioritized, he said. This is the first fatal incident since gold mining assessment began in the area. Several international partners in South Sudan have expressed concern over the absence of gold revenue in the country national budget, despite a report indicating that South Sudan may be producing between 30 to 40 tons of gold each year. Chatted, by the way, wa she pew chiko and so chachu tell jom jekana no chiku mo ka dob dana chalat kije ne dang die chiku lutan ngwas mo karam kel mi wa chicken la bakalen jiram nan cha nang dolwal ngai kone long ala menyam goal ne ko non la yatet ring mudin makana ko rele ka gwa gore pula bayre ala ka ko la mala hube bade me shatet gwas me wa chipiu chicken dit pol chicken tiang me nyodo muane kan tam ka do brana chalat ke go tele oxygen mo gwa anyok jaga chala do men cha kam go men de kule ye je dong gen chi je gon ka ta dana chalat ke so this what happened kan it ko ne chu liu ka gold mining ka raja ka western bargzal ka do bran en chalat ke gwas me en goro bi nyo anas ko ken chu pero jeno subscribe biata kamal